What's this? Today we're doing an unboxing and taking a first look at the new high voltage lithium battery from GoodWe. This is the Lynx Home F Series that we're going to unbox today and run through some of the key features. On a first look, you can see this is a very solid, well-built unit, and GoodWe have spared no expense on the build quality. Similar to the low voltage Lynx battery, it includes a state of charge battery indicator and also has a readily accessible overcurrent protection. You can see with the great gloss finish, and I could feel as I was pulling it out of the box, the exceptional build quality. There's no cheap plastics, it's all really high quality components. As you can see, the Lynx Home F Series utilises a stackable design for ease of installation. Each battery module is rated at 3.3 kilowatt hours with a minimum of 2 modules required. A maximum of 4 modules can be stacked in a single tower and 5 modules if you are connecting the battery to the GoodWe ET series inverter. Up to a whopping 8 towers can be connected in parallel to a single inverter, which means storage ranging from 6.6 kilowatt hours up to 131.2 kilowatt hours is achievable depending on the inverter you are connecting to. The battery is currently compatible with the GoodWe EH and ET series inverters, as well as the GEH series of inverters from GE. All of these inverters are available from supply partners, and our technical team can help you specify a full hybrid solution. The unit is IP55 rated, so outdoor installation under an eave is okay. The Lynx Home F Series uses the more common lithium iron phosphate chemistry. This chemistry is used due to the long lifespan and very high level of safety. It has a 10-year product and 10-year performance warranty on this product. GoodWe warrants that this battery system will retain 70% of its usable capacity for 10 years, or a minimum energy throughput, whichever one comes first. Having both the inverter and the battery from the same manufacturer means a single point of contact for warranty support, making the whole process much smoother should you ever need us. Give supply partners a call today to talk about how you can integrate GoodWe products into your next project.